how this is how we drive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can format your nav drive that you put in case to using in Windows, also Mac. So you can format this drive in a particular format to use with phone, with Mac, also PC. So let's go to my computer, let's go to my Mac. Now let's go to our Mac. We'll take one of the, here this time we're using C port, C cable, because Mac has C port. Here, connect this one. Ready? This is the first time this I don't have anything inside in this SSD card, M.2 nav drive or whatever you have. Connect this one to our Mac. Connect to this Mac. You see allow access. I hit allow access. I don't see anything here so far. Okay, if you don't see anything, I put here Dix utility directly. I think I have unlocated space. You can see Hiksemi media. It doesn't have anything unlocated, 1 terabyte in this case. So you have to format to use in Mac, also Windows. So here we have erase button. Be careful this side. You have SD of Mac. You should not touch this one. I close this one. So mistakenly we don't do anything. So you check the name Hiksemi media. This one select 1 terabyte. You see this is nothing because this is totally a new hard drive, brand new, nothing at all inside, no format, nothing. So I hit erase button here. Here we go. Erase, you have here format. So this is important part. APFS means Apple File System. The second one, APFX encrypted. So if you have encrypted data, I don't see any reason for that. Then the case sensible, then other one is APFX as well, the case sensitivity encrypted. So these are not necessary if you use only with Apple computer. This one is better. Then you have Mac OS extended. This is the older version before 2017. After that we don't use anymore. Then you have exFAT and MS-DOS FAT. MS-DOS FAT for Windows and Mac you can use in both places. This hard drive, but MS-DOS FAT has a limited more than 4 gigabyte of data you can't transfer. But exFAT is allowed for everything. So we choose this option. We click this one. You can put a name here. I put the same name as it is. Hiksemi with the capital. Hiksemi is fine. I hit erase in this case. Is done. I hit done here. 13 megabyte is used. 999.96 gigabyte is free. That is 1 terabyte. Hiksemi here is done. So here appear my Hiksemi hard drive. If you want to put anything here inside, let's see. I can copy and paste this one directly. Now I eject. Now I'll take this out from here. And that is done, guys. So now you can use with your phone, with window, wherever you want to use. So in this case, I can show you, I can connect with my iPhone. Take this off from here. Here we go. If we use with our phone, connect this one. Unlock the phone, we can go to file system. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max. So we go to file system here. Files. iCloud other information at the top. If I go out from here, you see here we have our drive appear. Go inside, have a picture. This one, the Sumerian god Anu. So it's working, guys. So this is the way you can format your external drive, and you can use with a computer, with phone, with Mac and Windows, wherever you want. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.